Yeah.
Good morning.
So we are preparing for Mano event,
Race number 2.
race number 2. This car was crashed in some practice before, has been fixed for a bit. New front fender, new door, new rear fender painted. So basically this whole side was crashed. Yeah, we will run I think 4 cars in this event.
Plus me.
Plus you. 4.5. Yeah, it will be. Yeah, we have to get ready again.
Preparing.
Setting up for different drivers and yeah.
So the plan for today is to change all 4 springs and fix everything broken on the front left quarter. So I just removed the shock absorber, and as you can see, it's broken right here, right there, and it's bent a little bit. So yeah, gonna put the new one in and it's good to go. Oh yeah, we have to change the steering arm, this thing, a few more bits and pieces. So we just finished changing steering arm, and still need to get out this one, very broken. And because I cannot do it myself, the guys went to lunch. Gotta start changing the rear springs for now, because that's something I can do on my own. And then when the guys are back, gonna try to get out that ball joint. And yeah, not much left. Just changing the springs, the ball joint, the steering arm is already in, and yeah, not much left. Oh, I'm tired. Boy. For unboxing. Boy.
5 minutes later.
Fuck. I just had my second crash with the car, and I wasn't even driving. Shit. You just slipped off the jack stands. And I'm here alone. Everybody left for the lunch. So, oh shit. Okay, gotta wait for them. We gotta fix it, because fuck. Not good, it's not good. To record?
Yeah. So we are doing. We are learning the kid hard way. Let him.
Goodbye.
Let him race the car with the diff.
Racing is only smart part. Like driving on the track, it's only like the 10%. The rest is just
waiting.
for parts, waiting to assemble them. Everything.
Okay, he's lifting the car by the diff. So
There's no diff, it's front wheel drive.
So like drift cars do. So
Where is the diff?
diff is gone. So let him do the hard way.
Oh.
He dropped already it once on the ground.
I already told them. I showed it.
Okay.
I already filmed and showed it, yeah.
So let them understand what racing is about.
yeah, not easy.
Milestones. When you get delivered free oil. Done. You're really happy, same as with Red Bulls. Mājās ved Red Bull. Kerijs is still fighting The rear shocks no, but springs are on. That wasn't so hard as it seemed for him. It was super easy. And now he's doing the upgrade on one broken shock and some other parts. Kerijs, how is it going? Is it hot?
It's hot.
It's not so hot today. It's not so hot.
It's not hot today, but I'm hot. I'm fighting time. But we're closing 3 out of 4. Done.
Yeah, the problem is the force is much harder. Is to change some other stuff. Yes.
So it's day 2. We didn't finish yesterday because we needed some more parts. Ordered them, got them, and the hole for the rubber bearing was a little bit too tight. That's why now Yanis is doing DIY. This is the DIY.
This is the roll part.
Good morning. Day 2 of preparing for Mano, yeah?
Yes, we are unpacking
The oils we got yesterday.
oils we got yesterday. Top gear. You know what I mean, top gear. 1 liter of racing grease guard. That's something. They run for 24 hours with this thing.
Should be good.
Should be good. Let's smell it. Oh, looks fishy.
Looks like iebiezinātais piens.
Tell it in English.
What you do?
Iebiezinātais paint.
Iebiezinātais paints. Mains. Iebiezinātais milks. So fitting the chair, yeah? Fits good?
Oh no,
No?
hopefully.
Yeah, okay.
The driver should be about my size, so I don't want to get in though. Too lazy.
She's done. She's lowered. Forgot to take a before and after. That's what I'm gonna find before. I'm gonna put in an after then. Jesus. That took too much time. Oh. You gotta learn it somehow. I made it. I made it in time. The guys are setting up, preparing, and yeah, we're about to rock and roll. So I have a dilemma. I have Nankangs, the semi-slick tires, but over there it looks like it's gonna rain soon. So, Robert, do you think it's a good gamble to put on the Nankangs for now? Looking at those clouds. It's a gamble.
It's a gamble. It's a gamble. I would be not scared actually yet.
YOLO? YOLO. Okay, let's do it.
5 minutes later.
So as you can see, it's super wet and the gamble didn't pay off. Didn't even have next session and it's raining and raining and raining. Yeah, we put on the regular tires so we can use them on the wet.
Let the rain go.
No rain.
It's dry. It's completely dry.
So we put on the rain tires, so it stopped raining, and yeah, the track is dry. It's completely dry. So not completely, but the racing line is dry. So we're gonna switch back to the Nankangs and see what I can do. My lap time was 2 minutes 9 seconds 0.9. The guy next in front of me is 2 minutes 9.4. So I have half a second gap with him. And then there's Yanis who is like 6 seconds faster, but he's out. He's in a different category. He's a heavy hitter. I'm a lightweight. So yeah, we're gonna put on the tires now and go back on the track. So as I showed you, the tires are on and I'm ready to go for my second run. Let's go, we'll see how it goes. So I finished my second run with semi-slicks, improved my time by 6 seconds, so hell of a good tire. And right after my run it started to rain again. It's just the weather today is crazy, so I'm gonna already put back my rain tires and just go have some fun, because I cannot make faster times during wet. So I'm just gonna go out for some practice, then we'll see. So, just had the third and last final run. I wasn't pushing anything, just having fun. It was me and NB Miara. We are like playing together, just having fun. Because like we already all of us have set the fastest times, so we're just practicing. Now, time to go to the award ceremony. See you there.
Un varam sākt 1600 klasē, 3. vietā Kerijs Yaris.
So, the day is over. P3. P3. It was a tough one. The times were very close. We were only like half a second from on each other, and yeah, it was an amazing event. First time on slicks, semi-slicks, sorry. And yeah, a lot learned, a lot more to learn. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.